Good day, everyone. For today's video, we will learn how to enter data in Excel using external sources. Basically, there are two ways for you to get data from external sources. Either using an external link or workbook link na tinatawag natin, or yung get data or also known as Power Query. With workbook links, you can get data from another Excel file. For example, I have here a file that contains the metrics of the team members, and I have here another file, which is a blank file, and I want to get the data from this file. Please note na magkaibang file ito, and instead of me copying this information, what I can do instead is type equals and then go to the next sheet and then just reference yung cell. Pwede mo siyang kunin lahat and then enter. And as you can see here, meron siyang parang formula and then meron ding address. So yung name ng file, kung anong sheet, and then yung range. Normally, ginagamit yung workbook links kapag meron kang master data na nag-feed sa multiple files like AOP or yearly budget or directory. Ang next method naman to get data from external sources is using the get data tool. Ito yung tinatawag na Power Query. So with get data, you will be able to get data from a text file or a CSV or a Word, another workbook, JSON file, PDF, or from a folder. Pwede ding mga databases like SQL and whatnot. And you can even get data from a web or from an existing table in this worksheet. In this example, we will try to get data from another file. So same nung file na ginamit natin kanina. So instead of using the workbook links, what I will do is click get data from file, from Excel workbook, and then hanapin mo lang yung folder kung nasaan yung mga file mo. In this example, I will select 9/1/2025, double click or click and then open, and then wait for this navigator window to open. So sa left side, ipapakita lang sa'yo yung file, and then kung may iba pang sheets within that file. So I want to get the data from sheet 1, and then as you can see, nag-evaluate na agad si Excel trying to look for the data or trying to assess yung data sa file mo. So since mayroong extra column, I will go ahead and click transform data para malinis natin yung source before uploading it to our file. So again, we don't want column 7. So remove column. So select yung columns first and then remove columns. And here you will be able to detect yung data type as well. Kung gusto nyo change yung data type, you can also do so. And another thing that we can do here is to create another column. So since kailangan natin kunin yung AHT, we can actually go ahead and click add column, custom column. And dito na tayo gagawa ng formula natin for AHT. And ang formula natin is yung talk time plus yung hold time plus yung ACW all over calls handled. Click OK. And there you go. As you can see, nag-compute na agad siya. And now na nakagawa na tayo ng column for AHT, and then happy na rin tayo dun sa mga edit natin, let's go ahead and click close and load, and then close and load to. Kapag in-click mo yung close and load, automatic magagawa siya ng bagong worksheet. With close and load to, you will be able to add it to an existing worksheet, or again, another option is to create a new worksheet. For this one, I want to add it to an existing worksheet. Click OK. And then if you notice, magkakaroon tayo ng bagong window, which is yung queries and connection. So dito mo yan makikita sa data, queries and connection. So meaning, meron tayong isang connection dito na nagki-query sa isang file. And as you can see, meron na tayong data rito. Linisin na lang natin. Another thing that you can do with Power Query is to combine multiple files. If you remember kanina, meron tayong tatlong file doon sa AHT folder natin. and we want to combine all of the files. And instead of me opening all of those files and then copy and paste it here, what I can do instead is to go to the data ribbon tab, click get data from file, from folder. And then select lang natin yung folder kung nasaan yung mga file na kailangan natin. Click open. And here it will show you yung laman ng folder na yon. And we want to combine all of them. So let's go ahead and click combine. Combine and transform data. And then dito sa combine files, ipapakita sa iyo yung pinakaunang file. And then select mo lang yan. One thing to note though, for this to work, dapat pare-pareho yung format ng mga file natin. So pareho-pareho sila ng number of columns and then pare-pareho din sila ng column names. Or else magiging messy yung result ng get data mo. So let's go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, kinumbine niya na lahat ng data. So lilinisin na lang natin. So again, we don't need column 7. Let's go ahead and remove that column. And hindi na rin kailangan yung source name. So let's go ahead and remove that as well. And again, pwede tayong gumawa ng custom column to compute yung AHT. So para hindi na tayo mag-formula doon sa file natin. AHT, that's talk time plus hold time plus ACW all over calls handled. And there you go. Now let's go ahead and click close and load to. And then existing worksheet. And then okay. And now, what will happen kapag nadagdagan ng file yung folder na yon, all you need to do is to refresh this page. Just go to data and then click queries and connection. And then click itong refresh button na to. Or simply click refresh all. Or hit F5 on your keyboard. The last example that I will show you is to get data from a website or from a web. Here we have the website of livepriceofgold.com. And for example, gusto mong kunin yung data ng price of gold. Instead of copying the text, all you need to do is to copy yung URL and then go to your Excel file, get data, and then from other sources, from web. And then here, just type in or paste the URL and then hit OK. And then dito sa navigator window natin, it's trying to tell us na there are multiple tables within that website. Ang gagawin mo lang naman is check mo yung mga tables, hanapin mo kung ano dyan yung kailangan mo. And here, we want to get the data from table 2. Since may mga extra rows, let's go ahead and transform the data first. And here, we want to remove the top row. Remove top row. And then isa lang naman yung blank. So that's 1. And then we want to make yung first row as the header. So transform lang and then use first row as headers. And then we're good with the data. Let's go ahead and click close and load to. And then to our existing worksheet. And ganun din. So automatic, mag-show na rito yung data from the website. And if you want to get yung most recent na data, just click refresh all. So automatic na yan, mag-update na yan na mag-update without you going to that website. I hope I was able to explain it properly. If you find my video helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. And follow nyo na rin ako to receive more videos like this.